Hello, have you ever wanted to send emails using Gmail while offline? It's not all the time that we have access to the internet. Sometimes we are on the plane, we are on the train, we are in a car, we are somewhere in the forest, or somewhere out of the grid, in fact, and you want to send emails. This is possible using Gmail. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send emails offline. But I will have to point out that this feature works only when you use the Chrome browser. If you use any other Chrome, it does not work. And as I'm speaking now, it seems to me like this does not work on mobile phones. So specifically, what I'm going to show you now is going to work on computers. To do that, all you need to do is to go where it says settings. You click there. You click on set all settings. On this screen, you go to where it says offline. You click offline. Then you enable offline mail. Here you have the option, you have several options here actually that you can choose from. For instance, what amount of emails do you want to have access to when you are offline? If you choose 30 days, offline you can only have access to about 30 emails that you received in the or stored in the past 30 days. You have option to choose to change this to 90 or to 7. Probably 90 is better. Otherwise, you would have fewer emails offline. So what actually happens is that when you compose your emails and send, your email will be saved offline. As soon as you connect to the internet, the email will be sent. So after choosing these options, you can go through these things here and decide what happens when you close your browser. For instance, if you close your browser, should the emails remain? This is when you haven't been connected to the internet yet. So when you, after composing your emails offline and you close your browser, should the emails still remain or should they be removed? So these are the options that you need to choose from here for security reasons. So after doing that, you will come down here and choose Save Changes. Once you save it, you will be able to send emails or to compose emails, to search your email while you are offline. I hope this has been helpful. If so, please can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to add some comment telling me if this worked for you or not. Thanks for watching.